Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background from images, from your product images without needing without using Photoshop, without needing a Photoshop skill, without paying anybody to do it for you and have a transparent background. I'm also going to show you how to transport this transparent image to a new background. I'm going to show you a lot in this video. I just want to say if today's your first time coming to our channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel because there's so much videos coming on board talking about e-commerce, making money online, starting a business online, promoting your business online, and growing your business. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your product image, remove the background, change the background, make it transparent. So let's get started. All right, so if you want to edit product image, the first thing you have to do or first thing you think about is the use of Photoshop, as you can see on your screen right now. All right. If you don't have the tech skill or the graphic design skill to use Photoshop, how would you change an image from this background to this background? How would you do that? Because when you want to upload your product online, sometimes you have to use a background that is clean, plain, most times white. Especially Jumia or Konga will prefer white background. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. The first site I would like you to use is this particular website, okay? That will show you how to remove background from images, any image you can think of, whether it's product or ordinary image. You see how to take off the background and place it with your own background. So in this video, I just want to try a couple of images. You go to the site, remove.pg. If you check on the description section, you will see the link to the site. Click on it and it will take you to the site. Whether you're using your phone or a laptop, it's still to take you down here. So you click on upload the image you want to edit the background. So in this case, I want to start with this image. Let's start with this handbag. So let's say I want to remove the background of this image. You can see this is the original and this is when the background has been removed. Okay, you can see how easy it is to remove background without the use of Photoshop. Now, I can click on edit right here from this platform. Click on edit and add any background I want to add. If I want to add this background, if I want to add a background like this, if I want to add a background like this. But this is not where I like doing my stuff. Now, if I see anything in the background that I don't like, let me say I see anything I don't like in this background, I'll just simply remove it. Just remove it like this. Okay, that's for example. So that is it about this tool. So let's go ahead and check another product. So let's just remove another background. Let's close this down. Let's upload another product. This time I want to upload the product wristwatch. This should look more okay. This should look more difficult when you're looking at it, but you can see how perfect this tool took out the background. Okay, you can see how it took out the background, and from this to this. Now you can download this and upload it on your on Canva and edit. We are getting to that section later on. Okay, so but the sad thing is that this image, when it was like this, it was a larger image, all right, with higher resolution. But when the background is removed, you can see it's 500 by 492, which is on lower resolution, which sometimes if you try to enlarge the image, it becomes blurry. But if you want to kind of use this tool and still download on HD, you have to get the paid version, which is not expensive. Okay. You can see how much it costs. Let's say you're going for 40 credits. I think a credit is around an image, 40 credits per month. You're paying just $9 per month. Don't know if you're saying that. You're paying just $9 per month to have 40 credits, which you can do up to 40 images. Okay, so if you're using it on your e-commerce platform, I think 40 images per month is good. If you think that's too small for you, go for the 200, which you're paying $39 per month. If you're in Nigeria or whatever country you are, just multiply this by your currency, by the present exchange rate. You can just easily pay monthly or you pay annually. Okay, but if you're not using it as often as most businesses, you can just pay monthly, and I think that's good to go. Okay, you can either do your paying per image, which I think is very expensive. You can just do 40 credits since you know you are editing more than 20 images at once. So once you pay this premium and you edit your image, right, you can download the image in HD. So this is one way I use to remove background from my image. Let me try two more images. I just want to try images of Starboy. So you can see how it just removed the image immediately. Okay. It's so easy, like just a click of a button. You can use your phone and take out the background of the image. Let me try one more image before we go to the next tool. This image should look more difficult. Let's see how good this will make it look. Okay, so you can see what I'm talking about. It removed the background but left this pole. You can see a line of this pole. So what I would do before downloading this app, I'll click on edit and I'll go to the erase or restore and I'll just simply erase that. Okay, you can see we still have our transparent background, which I can now add the video on any background I want. Okay, you can see how easy it is. When you're done, you click on download and you can download this file to your system. You can share it on social media, you can download it. That is how easy this tool is. Go to the description section below this video. You're going to see the link. Whether you're using your phone or your laptop, it's very, very good to use this tool. Now, another place I like to use is Canva. Okay, so I don't know if you know Canva, but this is a great tool. This is a tool you can use for your presentation, for your slide video, animation video, for infographics, for poster, name it, whatever you want to design, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. Once you click on any one, let's say, let me open to a new tab, you can easily see templates of posts that they've designed. So you just easily edit it to your post. I'm going to do a video and show you how to create a post with Canva, right? So, but let's go into this video. Let me show you how to remove background of image. So let's just create a new a new canvas. So I'll just go with 1000 by 1000, which is mostly what Facebook and Instagram uses, 1000 by 1000. So we just created a folder or a canvas of 1000 by 1000. Let me increase this a bit. So I want to add my image here and remove the background of that image. So I'll go to upload. I think I've uploaded a couple of images here, but if I have not, okay, these are all white background, but you can see, let me just take this one as an example. This is on a white background. You can see it here. If I change this background to, let's go red, you can see it's not good enough. So let's say I want to use a red background for this image, or let's say I want to use red is not kind of suitable. Let's say I want to use, you can see I don't want this background here. I will just easily click on this image, go to edit image, and I will go to remove background here when it loads. I will go to remove background. So you wait for it just a few seconds. It's going to take out the background. Okay, my internet, let me just click on it again. All right, so you can see how it removed the background. If I click on apply, now that has been applied. I can change this background to whatever I like. I can change it to this color, to this color, or to this color. You can see the background is completely removed. I can change it to whichever color I want. I can change it to white if I want to. So that's how to remove background on images. So let me just try another image. You can see the ecom journey logo, right? Let me just remove the background of this particular logo. You can see it comes with a black background, a dark background. I'll just click on edit image and click on remove. Now, let me tell you, you cannot have this feature if you are using the free version of Canvas, all right? Now, you can see I can, let me just edit, crop this image. I'll just crop this like this, crop this like so. I'll click done. I can increase it, but now I can change this background to whatever I like. I can change it to this. I can change it to this. I can change it to this. No, go back. I can change it to this. Whichever color I want, I can change this background to. Okay. I can decide to even add, let's say, a white line or a white circle, or how will I call this now? This, and just make it white, right? You can see I have a standard logo here. I can just reduce, I can take this to the back, I mean the white circle, so that I can edit this one. Don't worry, I'm going to do a video and show you how to work on Canva. That video, this video is not to show you how to work on how to design logos and stuff with Canva. A video about that is coming. This video just to show you how to remove backgrounds from images. All right, you can use Canva. Now, you cannot use the free version of Canva and do all these things I'm showing you. You have to use the Canva Pro. All right, so once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you to a page like this where you just have to pay and use the Canva Pro. The good thing about Canva Pro is that you can partner with 5 people, 10 people, and if you don't have a team already, you can partner with either 5 people and you guys will pay this money per year. If you want to go per month, you just pay $12, $13 per month. So if you divide $13 per month by 5 people, each person is paying $2.6, which in Nigeria is around 1,300 naira per month per person. So you can partner with somebody and have the pro version, which is what I did. My team and I, we have the pro version that we're using. So we're just paying basically 1,005 per month each person to use the Canva Pro. Because with the Canva Pro, that's where you have the option to remove image background. You can see it here. But with the free version, you only have access to 250,000 templates and some other cool stuff. But on the paid version, you still have everything you have in the free plus 100 million plus premium stock photos. You have access to remove background, to resize images, a lot, like so much more you have on the paid version for just less than 2,000 naira per month to use this platform. Okay, so that's how you can use the platform, this Canva, to change your profile. If you go about this one is just to remove the background image and turn it to whatever you want. You can also edit it and remove something like this I showed you before. All right, but if you want to edit this properly, of course they have their own background, but this tool is not, I don't use this tool to edit at all. I don't. Instead, I remove the background here and I come over here and I edit my image. Or you can see the images I'm working on. You can see all these images of products. I remove the background of all these images right here because I sometimes if I'm posting an image online about my product or product of my clients, we like to remove the image of the background also and send them different backgrounds like white, like blue, and different stuff. You get me? So like this one now, you can see we can change this background now to any color we want. You can decide to use yellow if that's suitable for it. You can decide to use this color, this color. You can do it right from the Canva app. So if you ask me which one to go with, either you can go with this plan or you go with the Canva Pro. I would say you start with the Canva Pro because the Canva Pro can do what remove this tool also can do. The Canva Pro can remove the background and also give you access to templates which you can use to edit your stuff. Now let me go down to templates. Now you can see lots and lots of templates you can use if you want to design a logo or if you want to design a message. Okay, you can see there are different templates. I don't know if you've heard about Canva, but it's a great tool. So basically, this video is teaching you how to remove background from images, and I hope I've been able to do justice to that. I hope you've learned a lot on this video, and I promise to do more on this channel. If today's your first time, like I've said before, click on the subscribe button below and also the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload new content, you will be one of the first people to watch it. All right. So if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. I can do a video just from the question I see on the comment section. Trust me. So leave it on the comment section. Any comment, any question you have, and I read every comment and I respond myself. And if you want to sell on Jumia, if you want to start your e-commerce business, of course, check out Qurnex. The link is in the description. Also read more about Qurnex and hope to see you guys on the inside. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.